जैसे आतंकवादी राष्ट्र यदि गिरेंगे तभी भारत को पाकिस्तान को परास्त करने का अवसर मिलेगा कि ईरान युद्ध में भारत कहां खड़ा है। भारत के विषय में किसी को कोई संदेह नहीं होना चाहिए कि हम इजरायल के साथ खड़े हैं। इजरायल और भारत का लक्ष्य एक ही है। इजरायल को ग्रेटर इजरायल बनना है और भारत को अखंड भारत बनना है।
Akhand Bharat, India's dream project. See how I looks like engulfing Pakistan, Bangladesh, Afghanistan, Myanmar.
Is a bond of real friendship. Great friend, my great friend.
Israel,
Thank you.
India's fatherland. India faces a harsh truth, rising Islamophobia fueled by the Akand Bharat propaganda. The RSS and BJP promote Akand Bharat, an undivided India stretching far beyond current borders, as a glorious Hindu civilizational dream. It appears in texts, murals, events, and leaders' speeches, framing Muslims as historical outsiders who fractured this unity. This narrative casts India's 200 million Muslims not as fellow citizens, eternal threats, infiltrators, jihadis, within. The consequences are stark. According to the India Hate Lab's 2025 report, 1,318 verified hate speech events targeted religious minorities, averaging 4 per day, a 13% rise from 2024. Shockingly, 98%, 1,289 incidents targeted Muslims explicitly in over 1,150 cases. These occur mainly in BJP-ruled states, at rallies, processions, and public gatherings, normalizing slurs like love jihad and calls for boycotts or worse. This is not fringe extremism. It is mainstreamed rhetoric that breeds discrimination, fear, and violence against a community integral to India's history and fabric. A true nation rises on inclusion, not exclusion. We must reject divisive propaganda and uphold the Constitution's secular promise: equality for every Indian, regardless of faith. Here is clear, documented evidence of Islamophobic activities in India, based on independent monitoring and reports up to early 2026. 28 communal riots leaving deaths and hundreds injured. At least 14 mob lynchings of Muslims. Weaponization of AI-generated imagery to spread sexualized anti-Muslim conspiracies and calls for violence on social media. 1,326 tracked posts from 2023-2025. Christmas 2025 disruptions targeting Christians, but often in the broader anti-minority climate that heavily impacts Muslims. But remember, we won't let this happen.